Feeling abandoned ka ba? Ako si Risa Singson Kaupeng. Magkape at pandasal muna tayo. Nung kamakailan, nag-mini pilgrimage kaming mga magkakapitbahay sa 3 Jubilee churches. Isa dito ay ang Our Lady of the Abandoned Shrine sa Marikina. The title Our Lady of the Abandoned first sounded negative to me until I learned the story behind the name. Nag-umpisa ang devotion na to sa Valencia, Spain noong 15th century when a group of friars began caring for the poor, the sick, and the mentally ill. They put up the first psychiatric hospital in the world. Humingi sila ng gabay kay Maria na kinilala nila bilang ina na hindi nagpapabaya sa kanyang mga anak, lalo na ang mga napapabayaan. So these friars asked King Fernando of Spain if they could have an image made of Mama Mary, their patroness. The king agreed and gave her the name Nuestra Señora de los Desamparados. The title Our Lady of the Abandoned is a message of hope, proclaiming that in God's eyes, no one is forgotten. No suffering, no wound, no loneliness is beyond His care. Through Mary, God tells us that He is closest to those who feel most forsaken. Kapag pakiramdam natin na wala tayong kakampi, wala na tayong pag-asa, o walang makakatulong sa atin, tumawag tayo sa ina ng walang mag-ampon. Let's hold on to our faith that God's love always seeks out the lost, the broken, and the excluded. Tayo magdasal. Our Lady of the Abandoned, deepen in us the virtue of hope, that we may trust God's promises even in times of trial. May we live with confidence in His mercy and be bearers of hope to all those who feel abandoned. Amen.